Given you have at least 100 CYLE showing in your balance, you're eligible to register as a master node. Doing so allows you to earn rewards for locking your balance temporarily. This process is called staking. If you scroll down a bit, you can see what you'll get as reward when you stake, among other information like the overall staking supply and remaining amount of CYLE there is to stake. To register as a master node now, just click on Register Node. The MetaMask window pops up, and all you have to do is to click Confirm. Please note that every transaction costs a small gas fee, as you can see in the MetaMask window. Then you'll need to wait a bit for a pop-up confirming the transaction has been successful. After that, please reload the dashboard page, and now you see buttons for locking and unlocking your balance, as well as for claiming interest. The interest is a percentage of the amount of balance you lock that you can gain, which is basically the staking reward you can see in the overview section of the dashboard. By clicking on Claim Interest, the interest you earned will be automatically added to your balance. You can do that once a week. But to claim interest, first you need to lock your balance. You're free to lock all or a part of the balance available to you. Click on Lock Amount and type in the amount of CYLE accordingly. Click on Lock Amount and confirm the transaction, as you can see here. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed and reload the dashboard page to check your current balance. Claiming interest and unlocking your balance work exactly the same way. Click the button and confirm the transaction in the MetaMask window. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed and reload the dashboard page.